All right, guys, what's up? First of all, thank you to all the new subscribers, all you new guys, girls, youngins that tuned in to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Means a lot. I'm a little bit more. I don't know, if you like keeping it real, you'll like it here. Thank you for coming, subscribing, watching, commenting, all the positive feedback. Thank you. To whoever the couple of you are throws that random thumbs down, thank you. Thank you for the view, Peckerhead. But anyway, the most frequently asked question that I get, and it usually comes via Facebook Messenger, is, well, how do you use your phone to do those videos like that? And there's all kinds of videos like this on YouTube, fellas, but I'm going to show you what I do very quick, very easily, to where you don't have to have a GoPro. You don't have to have a high dollar action camera. Really the only reason why I like a GoPro now, and really the only reason that I got one to start with, is the underwater footage. The underwater capabilities of these GoPros are just, I love it. And it allows you to move your content forward with your creativity and all that stuff. There's anything underwater is cool. But I got 155 videos on my channel, and every single one of them to date was filmed on a Galaxy S7 or the Galaxy 10. I'm filming on a S10 right now. But all you got to do, fellas, order you a cheap chest harness. You get them, as bad as I hate to do it, you get them overseas for $8, $9, $10. Boom. Now, you go get a selfie stick and you take the holder off of that selfie stick. Right here is the ones I like to use. Like I said, guys, you don't have to, I like GoPros, and I'll probably get a couple more of them, but Amazon's got them. eBay is where you'll find your best deals on these cheap GoPros. Guys, you take your selfie stick. Now, guys, I'm going to show you how I've done all my videos. I've never had my phone pop out of it, not one time. And y'all know how I am. I get worked up and jump around and stuff, and this, you don't need it. See that right there? You can take right here and tighten these screws up to keep your tension and your thing closed against your phone. Take it. $7, $8, $9, $10. The same thing from GoPro is like 30, 40, 50 bucks. I gotta admit, the chest plate right here, when it sits on your chest, the ones at GoPro and a lot of them other ones, they got big cushions and it's probably comfortable, but, you get used to it. Take your chest harness. Right here, comes with it. And show you how quick and simple you can start doing your own videos, fishing and hunting and stuff like that. Take this. Okay, guys, you got your cheap, China-made, Vietnamese-made, Taiwan-made, whatever made. It comes from overseas, and I cannot stand to buy them over there, but you can get 4 or 5 of these for what one GoPro brand costs. You got your cheap chest harness. You got your attachment from your selfie stick. The stronger this is, the better off you're going to be. All right, now, what you're going to have to do is they make attachment packs. They got little old packages of all these different assortments for your action cameras. Well, all that stuff fits with the selfie stick attachments, the action camera attachments, all these different attachments all fit together. Get your cheap chest harness, you get a selfie stick, you get a package of assorted attachments. And what you got to have is you got to have this right here. See this? You have to have the piece that screws up. Why? Here's why. You got to have something for the selfie stick attachment to screw to, okay? You screw it on. You can take a screwdriver and come back and tighten this stuff up, man. You can't get it loose with your fingers. All right, here we go. See? You take this. Now, according to how big you are, how broad you are in the chest, how tall you are, whatever, different comfort levels, you take it. And for me, I take it and come from the bottom in. You can take it out and come from the top down and change the whole angle of it. But as you start filming, you know, no matter what kind of attachment you got on your chest, no matter how high dollar it is, no matter how cheap it is, until you learn how to keep your body positioned to get the footage you want and all these cool shots, you know, none of that matters. You're going to have to turn your body into a certain, you know, if you're serious about it and you want to get footage, anybody can throw a chest camera on, take off, and hit the play button, hit the record button. You know, I see all kinds of videos of guys catching fish where you can't hardly see what's going on. All you can tell is that they're catching fish. That does us no good, man. Especially somebody that needs a little bit of help. So as you go along, you will, through trial and error, you're going to shoot a video, you're going to come home, you're going to edit it, and you're going to see what you need to do and what adjustments you need to make. As time goes, you'll condition yourself to get your arms out of the way, you know, when you set the hook to turn a certain way to get that footage. Anyway, simple. Put it on there. Of course, a chest harness with a phone sticking out off of it. You know, you got a phone, it's going to stick out. It's not going to sit against your chest snug. So you got to, you know, what I struggled with in the beginning, the first 40 videos, is I had a bad habit of setting my hook and messing with my rod and bumping into my camera. But you're going to, you know, you're going to figure out how to get your footage if you're serious about it. If you ain't, then it don't matter. It's going to suck no matter what you do, you know. Here you go. See, these chest harnesses will stretch, man. You big guys out there, I mean, I'm 6'4", 235 pounds. I'm not exactly a small fella. But, you know, I can put my army coats on, my field jackets, and 2 shirts and still put these harnesses on over top of all my clothes. So, I mean, you know, you big guys out there, you mess with your harness, man, and it's going to fit, you know. In the beginning, guys, just getting it on, I struggled with. You know, I never figured out how to throw it on right. But after you do it a while, dude, it becomes second nature and you can get it on quick, you know. There you go. You know, it sticks out off your chest a little bit more. But guys, that's it. You throw your phone in. For demonstration purpose, I got my old S7 in here. Guys, any phone will fit in here. You know, you gotta be careful and not hit it because it's sticking out off your chest. But guys, it's that simple. Listen, all you gotta do is go to Amazon, eBay, whatever, type in chest harnesses for your GoPros or your whatever. You just type in chest harnesses. Guys, you can get them all day long by the dozens from anywhere from $7 to $10. The whole rig is going to be under $20. You throw your phone in it, and you go. Trial and error. That's all it takes. It's simple. Another thing that I want to share with you, when you start doing these videos on your phone, download the KineMaster editing app. That's what I use. You can go fishing or hunting or go do whatever you want to do outside. Gather all your footage on your phone. This is an S10 that I'm filming on. I think it works great. Come home, sit down on your phone, edit your video. You can film it, edit it, upload it, export it, everything you need to do on your phone. Boom, it goes straight to your channel for everybody to enjoy. AT Outdoors is way more than just me throwing fishing videos and hunting videos and ginsenging videos on YouTube for everybody to hey, look here, look at me. No, I'm not about that. I am about reaching one person in a video. If I can reach one person in some way and help them catch a fish, kill a deer, dig ginseng, just make you feel better that day. And I'm real big on to the guys that can no longer go out there and enjoy this for whatever reason. To all of you people that are struggling in all those areas where you cannot go out there anymore and do that, I hope that at some point you can watch one of my videos and just feel like you're there. Feel like you used to when you was able to. Because, guys, that's why I do this. But if you're the type of guy that is all the time running around here doing this kind of thing, and you're not trying to help anybody, you're not trying to reach anybody, you're not trying to take the time to share what you have learned and what you can do with somebody else to try to help them, dude, we're not the same. I hope I help some of you out. I do my best not to get off on some other stuff. I want to tell you something, gang. You can't stand silent anymore. You can't stand silent. You can't straddle the fence. Guys, keep it real. Stay safe out there. We'll holler at you.